is to B equal to 5 is to 7, B is to C equal to 6 is to 11. What is the ratio A is to B is to C? Manaki here it was given A is to B equal 5 is to 7, B is to C equal 6 is to 11. What is the ratio? A is to B is to C. Here A is to B equal to 5 is to 7. Here B is to C equal to 6 is to 11. First we have to take here LCM of 7 and 6. LCM of 7, 6 equal to 42. Then A is to B equal to 5 is to 7 multiplied by here 7 6 are 42. That's why we multiplied by 6, we get only here 6 5s are 30, 6 7s are 42. Similarly, we have to take B is to C equal to 6 is to 11. Here 6 7s are 42. That's why we multiplied 6 is to 11 by 7 equal to 42 is to 7 11s are 77. Therefore, A is to B is to C equal to here A is to B is 30 is 42, 30 is to 42. B is to C equal 42 is to 70. 42 is to 77. This is the right answer. In shortcut way, shortcut method. In shortcut method, we know A is to B, 5 is to 7. Here B is to C, B is to C equal to 6 is to 11. Here we want to find out 3 factors. A is to B is to C. Here A is to B only. There is no C. That's why in place of C we put same number, that is 7. Here B is to C only. Here there is no A. That's why in the blank we have to take this number 6. Therefore, A is to B is to C equal to 5 6 are 30, 7 6 are 42, 7 11 are 77. This is the shortcut method of A is to B is to C. Then we have to take another problem. A is to B equal 3 is to 4. B is to C equal to 8 is to 9. What is the ratio of A is to C? Same method. We know shortcut method. Shortcut method. Here A is to B equal to 3 is to 4. There is no C. There is no C. Here B is to C. B is to C equal to here A, B, C. Here A, B, C. We write. Here only we know B. In place of B, we have to put 8 is to. In place of C, we have to write 9. There is no A. Here A is to B is to C and 3 is to 4. There is no number. That's why we have to same number here write 4. There is no number here. The same number here write. Multiply these two factors. A is to B is to C equal to 3 8s are 24 is to 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. We want to find out only A is to C. A is to C is nothing but 24 is to 36. Here 4 6s are 4 9s are 3 2s are 3 3s are. Here get 2 is to 3 is the right answer. A is to C. A is to C is the 2 is to 3. Similarly, third number is A is to B equal to 8 is to 15. B is to C equal to 5 is to 8. C is to D equal to 4 is to 5. What is the ratio of A is to B? Same thing. Here, how many factors here? How many? A, B, C, D. Therefore, A is to B equal to 8 is to 15. We want 4 factors. A, B, C, D. There is no C. There is no D yet. Then B is to C. B is to C equal to, here B value given 5 is to C value here 8. There is no A, there is no D. Similarly, C is to D equal to, he was given C value 4, 4 is to D value 5. There is no B, there is no A. Okay? Then here A is to B is to C is to D equal to, here 8 is to 15. There is no number. We have to write same this number. 15 here, 15 here. Here there is no A. We have to write the same number 5. Here is no number D. We have to write 8 here. Here is no number. That's why we can write here 4. Here also 4. Therefore, A is to B is to C is to D equal to 8 into 5 into 4 is to 15 into 5 into 4 is to 15 into 18 into 8 into 4 is to 15 into 8 into 5. Here we want to find out only A is to D equal to, A value is 8 into 5 into 4 is to D value is here 15 into 8 into 5. 5 gets cancelled. 8 gets cancelled. Here value remain 4 is to 15. This is the A is to D value. A is to D value. Here, fourth problem is A is to B is to C equal to 2 is to 3 is to 4. That A by B is to B by C is to C by A value. Here A by me means 2 by 3 is to B by C 3 by 4 is to C by A. C by A means 4 by 2. Here we have to take LCM 2, 3, 4. LCM of 2, 3, 4 is here 2, 3, 4 is 2 ones are 2 twos are 3, 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12. Therefore, here 2 by 3 into 3 4s are, and 4 by 4 is to 3 by 4, 4 3s are, 3 by 3 is to 4 by 2, 2 6 are, 6 by 2, 2 4s are 8 by 12 is to 3 3s are 9 by 12 is to 4 6 are 24 by 12. Here, what is the ratio is 8 is to 9 is to 24. Here A by B is to B by C is to C by A. Value is 8 is to 9 is to 24. This is the right answer. Similarly, here fifth problem is A is to B equal to 1 by 2 is to 3 by 8. B is to C equal to 1 by 3 is to 5 by 9. C is to D equal to 5 by 6 is to 3 by 4. Here, what is the A is to B is to C is to D. A is to B is to C is to D. Here A is to B equal to 1 by 2 is to 3 by 8 equal to, we have to take cross multiply. 1 by 2, we have to reciprocal of this 8 by 3. 8 by 2 3s are 6 or 8 is to 6. Similarly, B is to C equal to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 5 by 9 equal to 1 by 3 into 9 by 5 equal to 9 by 15 equal to 9 is to 15. Similarly, C is to D equal to 5 by 6 is to 3 by 4. 5 by 6 into 4 by 3. 20 by 18. 20 is to 18. You want to find out here A is to B is to C is to D. Therefore, here A is to B equal to B equal to 8 is to 6. 8 is to 6. You want A, B, C, D. There is no C, there is no D. Then B is to C equal to B is to C equal to 9 is to 15. There is no D, there is no A. Similarly, C is to D 3 is to D means 20 is to 18. 20 is to 18. There is no B, there is no A. We want to find out A is to B is to C is to D. Here 8 is to 6. There is no C and D. Therefore, we have to write here 6. Here also write 6. There is no A. We have to write here 9. There is no D. We have to write here 15. Here is 20. That's why I write 20. Here also 20. That's why we have to multiply all these numbers. 8 to the 8 into 9 into 20. Here 6 into 9 into 20 is to 6 into 15 into 20 is to 6 into 15 into 18. That's why here we have to multiply. Yeah, this is the 4 2s are 4 5s are 4 5s are. There is no number. Therefore, 28 is a 160. 2 4s are 2 10s are. Here 2 10s are. Here 2 9s are. Here 4 into 9 into 20 is to 6 into 9 into 10 is to 6 into 15 into 10 is to 6 into 15 into 9. 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 5s are. Here 3 5s are. Then here 3 3 3. That's why 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 2s are. Therefore 4 1s are 4 4 2s are 20 is 80 is to 6 10s are 60. 2 5s are 10 10 10s are 100. 2 5s are 10 10 9s are 90. Therefore 0 0 0 0 gets cancelled here. 8 is to 6 is to 10 is to 9 is the right answer.